Africa nominated. Ni mumo ya. Mulika ndio kwa wewe mwana wa kairitu ekaga kuboyo kwenda matatu muthenya rucini thita wai na thimisha u koguo ri muthie na mbere na kunyitithira na mahoya ona muona ta kwina kirutukanio kiugua na atari gutire mundu thiini wa muturire wake utari wakorwo ni kiundu akarigwo ni kiundu kana ni mundu kana ni ki no ngenyera kumehari mundu wothe wina muciĩ haha we ona ngoro ahithire ira kamba kaida kuhingicania na mundu ũnyoka ĩno ũyũ ndoneka kila mtu anataka iguru kila kurehe no meokeyumia na barika ya mwisho ile kawaida anatibu kawaida makubwa no atuende urikenda kuganya ukinywa maji ndukanariganie mundu urawekire ki gada maji gani ono unywe maji kwa maji na uno kulia kilo urawekire ki ni mukariganie rudisha kile kia jone ka ni mukariganie morali akahora tamutarana ni mukariganie no negethima mwana jero ndika ni mukariganie no negethima mwana jero mwashimu wa Sabina na ndaigwa mwatu mana moigati ate mogate maita maigire mwezi wa Sabina amenya kanetwo mwapera ndiye gatumani orogu no age kuigua ina berelia roine
kumawadi rekwanyitamire wote
kumawadi
Sabina rekwanyitamire
kigumo woga ajero ndo ngiraka na ndaigwa moga atirire athi atwire uriare no nakere ni maita maithu muno wakomaga athikiririe gira ndio mukwenda ate okay ate ai yo horo no mugwe togo katu gira utire gira utire murauga oke auge kuria bere mumwira kana ni heka kana tihe agai kundu gutatumurwo na tari kwega muno atuke MCA wake gumu kwenda kundu kwega kwenda bere uhoro na ahoya adumire ni muhoya yo horo
kwenda maitunda de
ona leo kama president
aya como dona wa kiama ito aka unde bitunda sasa ndio eki wewe ndo kwa utukara kwa farauga president yasha
kama chipako
karona go burika na chibele au kama hawali
na kelele okay wewe kama kifikia mke
Hena keke. Kuna kitu. Aya ndaigwa muge bakira ite igere kema ke women kana yake gumo aya ikwenda ku wewe newe yare kirari no bobo na meario meiki message yanyu ni tugukinyia tugatumudina mbere na kumahoera na muthenya uria rĩngĩ ũkari mũkĩnyitĩre andũ ake mũmũtirajoke agĩũka mũnyitĩrĩre nĩguo na ithuĩ cũcũ na mũkari twĩ mahoya maingĩ matiagaite mũkĩmũnyitĩrĩre mũno na mahoya mundu ũngĩgũkundia tũmaĩ rĩrĩa wĩna thĩna ona ngĩrĩa gakorwo na thĩna nĩtĩcia gwĩka atĩa kũmũkundia tondũ ũguo nĩguo kwagirire na mĩario mĩingĩ kwenda kuga kũringana na ũrĩa tũrarĩtie na Karo mheshimiwa wanyu wa wodi ya Gĩthumo mheshimiwa twendete mheshimiwa Thiago Kahora no akoragwo slow but sure harĩa agerera ũguo no nginya ũmenye Karo nĩagire atĩa na nĩwĩkĩte wega mũno mheshimiwa Karo ona kũnyitĩrĩra andũ aya a CDP maitũ nĩarorĩtio indo nyingĩ no tũrĩa arahotire kũmatha koguo mũkwĩrĩtwo nĩ nominated member of parliament by the way mũndũ wa kuorotwo nĩ kuga mbeca iria akoragwo nacio no ingĩarĩhagwo mũcara ũguo nĩguo waigua mũndũ nominated mbeca iria heagwo kana nĩ thirikari ya kaunti kana nĩ thirikari nene nĩ mũcara na mũrakĩmenya mũtumia ũcio arĩ ona twana twake na twana twĩ thukuru no tũrarĩhĩrwo cukuru no harĩ ũtũindo tũu arĩ ũtũrĩ mũtumia ndeyangagia njiguaga agĩtara atumia kamera mũndũ nĩ ikamebangĩte nĩguo mwĩragwo kana tiguo na harĩ indo iria nyingĩ arakoete nĩ aheo tũtaurũ twa ciana cia thukuru twa airĩtu 210 na arĩa twĩ haha tũrĩ andũ 300 hena mboco hena kamũcere gũtirĩ mũndũ ũkũinũka atarĩ na kanyamũ kaya mũtanakenerwo nokorwo ũgaruke nĩũkauga wega reke tũmugĩre nĩgetha agĩkue mũruge rũkũre mabati rũmũkinyĩre mũcemanio-inĩ harĩa arĩ rĩu nĩrwo mwĩcikwa Sabina 1 2 twende na nuona umuthi kĩyanyitithania andũ akamendete kanitha nuona na mũtharaba wake ona guo aya chief members hapo Isimakaro there is and then no tũramonde kũhũra kũhe andũ othe tũkĩnyitaga mbica koguo niĩ na Karo tũkũnengera ya mĩena-inĩ ya mbere andũ arĩa mena marĩtwa bata nĩ mũmenye nĩ marĩkũ nĩgetha twatua gũkanja tũkanje ũguo wona twarĩkia kũheana twarĩkia kũheo aya me haha mbere tũhorerete oro ũguo nĩ tũgwĩka vote of thanks na tũhoe ihoya rĩa mũico nĩgetha rĩu aya angĩ tũkũhe mũndũ umĩire harĩa ĩkĩte atĩa athiĩte tuko pamoja very good. aya marugamirira wondi yothe yakigumo hena muthuri na hena ki mutikimahurire karu.
Today we are here to launch our 3-day activity which we call the Career Fair. The Career Fair is an opportunity to bring industry and students together. We have our own students of Zetech University. We have also invited students of our neighboring high schools so that they can come and meet and engage with the industry. As you can see from the tents that are displaying various things here, we have industry players who have come to showcase what products and services they have. We are also having guest speakers who are drawn from industry to come and speak to the students to make them understand what they do, to advise them on how easy it is for a young person to get a career, what kind of skills they are required to have, what kind of approach and strategy they are supposed to put in so that they can be able to enter easily into the world of career. I will say that for us, we are not having a big problem with attaching our students for attachment. Reason being that we have a bank of partners. All these exhibitors you see today, all those speakers that were speaking in the morning hours there, they are all coming from institutions that we have a working relationship, a memorandum of understanding, and so on. So because we have so many of those friends, whenever students are about to go for field attachment, we talk to them, they offer. One will take 5, another one will take 10, and so on and so forth. So we have not had problems where our students totally do not have attachment spaces. Urging our students that they need to develop a very deep and great sense of patriotism and love for their country. A lot of our young people want just to go out of the country. They are always asking, when will I finish so that I can go? I go to Europe, I go to the Asian tigers, I go to the Americas. But we are asking our students to love our country and know that a country will only be developed by its people. Therefore, they need to develop a sense of patriotism, desire to work for our country and in our country, and together we will be able to take our country to greater levels of development, just like those other countries that they admire there. So we are encouraging them. We are encouraging them that we build our Kenya together.
You want them to become like so and so. For kids, they want to be like so and so. Who are the big names?
I wanted to request that in your small break that you have come, you give.
I don't understand about these stabilizers.
They also don't know Roy. Yes.
We have just been saying everything.
Yes.
I just wanna hold you tight. it is quite interesting to see how eager they are and how well the university has prepared them. I would urge that they take the advice that they have gotten from today's panelists and also the advices from the lecturers, and they are going to make it in the job market. It is promising, and it is such a wonderful moment to be here. I look forward to attending more and meeting with them outside in the job market as well-equipped applicants and also as job seekers outside. So it is a way of the university preparing the students, and it was good to start preparing them in advance even before they graduate. And it is really a plus for the university to take such an initiative.
I'm so honored to have been invited in Career Fair 2024 as ZTech. We are partnering with ZTech because Paleo is a hospitality industry. We carry all around in the industry, and I've seen something very interesting with the hospitality industry of nowadays, because you find back then you'll find that we don't have things like media in the industry. We don't have things like graphing, but we have it in school. IT is also part of the hospitality industry. For example, you find a student is doing IT and they are looking a place to go. They just want to maybe to go for a company which is doing IT only, which is not the case. When you come to the hospitality, you are doing hospitality. Be assured that even in IT, you can join the hospitality part of it, because we need people in IT to do for us posters, to do for us the social media adverts.
And we are here just to be able to explore the talent that is at ZTech University, to be able to introduce our educational program as well, and to interact with the students. Yes.
What type of partnerships are you looking at with the university?
We have an educational program in Urdu, whereby we would like to introduce the learning that the students do in the classes to be able to as well see how this implicates in the real world. So they get to learn about how to use solutions, they get to learn about how they'll be doing their jobs. But when they go into these companies, there are softwares in these companies that they have never interacted with. So we want to give the students an opportunity to be able to explore the softwares before they go into the job markets. We have quite a number of roles open. I would advise the students to visit www.udu.com and visit our jobs page. We have a number of opportunities that are open, from sales opportunities, business management opportunities, which is basically implementation. And this, especially for French speakers, which is quite a niche in the market, would be able to give the students a chance to interact with our company.